How are you building generational wealth? There has been a recent trend in the importance of building generational wealth. And listen, I am here all for it. But I want to ask you, are you only interested in building generational wealth tied to assets or the type of generational wealth that is eternal? So many people quote Hosea 4:6, but few read the entire scripture. It says, "My people are destroyed for lack of knowledge. Because you have rejected knowledge, I also will reject you from being priests for me. Because you have forgotten the law of your God, I will also forget your children." Listen, this verse says that God will cut off the blessings of your children, the generations to come. Now, the people rejected God because they were comfortable, satisfied, and living in the overflow of what God had already provided for them. The priests forgot to lead and share their knowledge and wisdom, and as a result, Malachi says that they no longer desired the instruction. So while financial generational wealth is important, spiritual generational wealth is just as important. As I was recording my 30th episode of 1 Minute on Purpose, I'm reminded of how this daily encouragement will be here long after I'm gone. When we know better, y'all, we have to do better. Now, I don't know about you, but I want God to remember and bless my children for generations to come. See you tomorrow for 1 Minute on Purpose.